bright yellow, golden ochre, light orange, burnt sienna. We can use all of these colors as our skin color. So first one is burnt sienna, next one is yellow ochre, third one is light orange, and fourth one is bright yellow. And for creating back view, I am using bright yellow color for my skin rendering. And these four shades you can use as an alternative for your skin rendering in case if you don't have any color. So that's why I give you choices of four colors. Yes, of course the shades will come different, but the purpose of skin rendering is going to be completed by using these colors as well. For skin rendering, first remove all the pencil work and then outline your full body using any shade of your choice. Outline the body very carefully and remember one thing: before outlining any part of the body, remove all the pencil lines very clearly, because if you outline on the pencil work, then when we going to use watercolor technique, it will look bad, it will not look good. As you can see, the foot lines is visible now, but when I am going to outline the foot part, I will remove these lines. See, I removed all the lines very clearly. You can't even see them. The same thing you need to do it, okay? And then outline it. So now I'm using 6 number brush of Novelty Company, which is affordable and good in quality as well. Basically, I am just adding water technique, or you can say water effect of a Staedtler color. So see clearly and just do this work as fast as you can, because it leaves patches if you leave it in the middle. So as fast as you can and just focus on this. And 6 number round brush is the best one for shading effects because it is pointed and it works well in the smaller corners. Just wet your brush and extract the excess water, because if you take so much of water into your brush, then your whole drawing is going to be spoiled by your own hands. So don't do this and use very less water, or you can say minimum water, for blending our yellow color. For watercolor technique, you can use Prisma watercolor pencils, Brustro artistic pencils, or Staedtler. If you are a beginner, go for Staedtler colors. They are not so much costly, and you can easily afford them. So go for it and enjoy the process of learning. Now for outlining, I'm using bright orange color. Instead of using bright orange color, you can go for it for brown color as well, and it's all up to you what type of a shade you wanted to give. Just focus on my brush the way I am using it, and for the leg part or for every part, the most important thing is you can go only for in a one direction, top to bottom or bottom to top, while coloring. So in this leg part, what I did, I go from bottom to top, because if you start from the middle, then the patches will going to be seen. So as a beginner, first start from the bottom or from the top and then complete that whole thing in similar direction. Merge the color as fast as you can. I hope you are understanding every point clearly and creating the same croquis for yourself as well, and you are practicing so hard for learning fashion croquis. So, and I wish you a good luck and a happy journey and so much of excitement as well. So you will be excited towards your journey, and at some point of time when you feel like frustrated doing it, then just take a break, but don't leave it, okay? And do the practice daily. And yes, of course it will take time, but when you will do practice more and more, then all the things will going to become easy for you. Now, using this pencil, I'm just highlighting its parts and adding shading into some parts. If you are learning something new from my videos, then subscribe my channel for more coming videos, and tell me in the comment box on which topic you wanted me to make a video. Now I completed my shading part, and now I am using tissue paper for merging. Okay, so use tissue paper or stumps, whatever you wanted to use. I'm just tell you and teach you alternatives so that you don't think like you have lack of materials. So just find out alternatives, and in my coming videos as well you are going to see lot many alternatives for every work. So be excited for that as well. And yes, now just focus on this part only. Now see how I'm just rubbing it and merging, spreading it, okay? Like you can say merging or spreading the whole color using tissue paper. Now I am adding its backbone. Yes, it's so good, it's so cool. Like learning fashion illustration so deeply was cool. I think if I don't learn them so with so much of passion, I'm not able to teach with so much of passion as well. So learn with passion and draw with passion. Isn't it good, Cat? Okay, now coming on its hairs part. Hairs part is what it is going to make it more attractive. So learn it as well. And the bun. Here is the bun, and I'm just doing scrubbing while for creating its bun. So yes, it's the easiest one, and you can create it within 1 minute, or you can say like less than 1 minute as well. If you wanted to draw it roughly, you can create it in less than 60 seconds as well. All it needs practice. So, and I think it looks so good. It's so cool on it. So tell me in the comment box, do you also like it?